Sony launches Bravia Projector 7 and 9 in India with XR processor, native 4000 and 120 FPS gaming. Sony has introduced two new home cinema projectors in India under its Bravia lineup, the Bravia Projector 7 and Bravia Projector 9. Both models deliver a premium native 4K HDR experience using the company's advanced XR processor. These projectors are designed for home theater setups and media rooms, and come with support for gaming at 4120 FPS, smart home integration, and optimized image clarity. Bravia Projector 7 specifications. The Projector 7 features Sony's 0.61-inch SXRD panels with native 4000 resolution 3840x2160 and a brightness output of 2200 lumens. It uses a laser diode light source and supports HDR10 and HLG formats for high dynamic range playback. The projector is powered by Sony's XR processor for projector, which enables technologies like XR Dynamic Tone Mapping, XR Deep Black, XR Tri-Luminous Pro, and XR Clear Image. The projector includes manual lens shift with a vertical range of 71 and horizontal range of 25, along with a throw ratio of 1.38-2.1 to 1. It supports two HDMI 2.1 ports with 4K 120Fs and auto-low latency mode ALM for gaming, along with input lag as low as 12 ms. Other features include digital keystone correction, anamorphic compatibility, and a newly added aspect ratio scaling mode for switching between 2.35 to 1 and 16 to 9 content without lens adjustments. The Projector 7 supports integration with home automation systems such as Control 4, Crestron, Savant, and AMX, and is compatible with remote maintenance services like Overk and Domods. Bravia Projector 9 specifications. The Bravia Projector 9 is the higher-end model in this series, offering 3400 lumens of brightness and a wider powered zoom ratio of 2.1x. It uses the same 0.61-inch SXRD panels with native 4000 resolution and a laser diode light source. The projector also runs on the XR processor and supports HDR10 and HLG, with the same core image enhancement technologies found in the Bravia 7. The Projector 9 includes Live Color Enhancer, which improves vibrancy without oversaturation, making it more suitable for brighter rooms. It is equipped with an advanced crisp-focused ACF lens featuring a 70mm aspherical element and a floating focus system. This setup ensures edge-to-edge clarity and minimizes distortion. The lens shift range is wider here, with vertical adjustment of 85 and horizontal shift of 36, along with a flexible throw ratio of 1.35-2.84. It supports the same gaming specs as the Bravia 7, 4000 at 120 FPS, ALM, and 12 ms input lag, along with smart home compatibility and eco-friendly features like mercury-free laser technology and power-efficient laser dimming. Pricing and availability. Sony will begin sales of the new projectors in India from July 15, 2025, through its authorized distributors. The Bravia Projector 7 VPL XWEBU 5100ES is priced at 650,000 rupees as 7,585, while the Bravia Projector 9 VPL XWEBU 8100ES will retail at 1,700,000 rupees as 19,839.